Here we go. Canadian Bacon's 2-box break of In the Game Used. Hopefully this gets people motivated. Nope, you don't lose anything in the box wars. You would not lose anything. Come on. Don't be a brute, please. Woohoo! Alright, we start off with a dual jersey number to 35 of Salming and Sittler. Salming Sittler. We've got a maximum memorabilia gold, number to 20, Marc-Andre Fleury. That's sexy. We've got a quad patch, number 215 for the Montreal Canadiens of Larry Robinson, Guy Lafleur, Steve Shutt, Patrick Waugh. We've got number to 40, dual jersey of Esposito and Lafleur. Number 240. And we've got a quad memorabilia locker room collection number to 15, Gary Cheevers. 3 of 15, Gary Cheevers. Well, that was a good box. Now it's time to get a little better. I'm very confused what you're saying there. Gary Cheevers. Oh, am I saying that wrong? We've got number to 25, dual gold jersey of Lemieux and Lindros. Lemieux Lindros. We've got a maximum memorabilia, number to 45, Mario Lemieux. Mario Lemieux. We've got number 215, dual patch of Messier and Lafleur. Messier Lafleur. A triple jersey, number to 25 of Sachuk, Rogi Vachon, and Marcel Dion. Triple jersey. Oh, you'll like this one. And we finish off with a quad patch, 1 of 1 of Mark Messier, Steve Yzerman, Mario Lemieux, and Sergei Fedorov. 1 of 1.